there, everybody, it's me again. Well, I got the 11th package. It was for my friend on YouTube. Alright. All I need scissors for this is to cut this tape around. So, ow, let's see what we got. Stupid tape. Oh yeah, you know what? I'm gonna use tweezers instead. Now we need to open the sides. Stupid tape. Stupid tape. This is the 11th package. Wait, I changed my mind. So let's see. It's the pumpkin face. There's Go Santa Go album. We got Pumpkin Face, Wiggle and Lead. It's Always Christmas with You, and Santa's Rockin' DVDs. These are the Australia DVDs all I want. Alright. We got Santa's Rockin'. We got this the front, spine, and the back. Here's the disc itself. Here's the booklet itself. See the inside? Here's the back of it. Here's the inside of the Wiggles. I like. Promise. Playful. White Blue. Fairy Ew. Lazy Town, my favorite. Alright. I'll get to this. This is Santa's Rockin'. We got It's Always Christmas with You video. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's the disc itself. A booklet. Here's the back of it. Oh, it scratches, plays fine. We got Wiggle and Learn. The front, spine, and the back. Here's it. The booklet itself. I have one Australia DVD. It's just called Wake Up Lachy. I already show you the Wiggles. I'll get Woohoo Wiggly Gremlins, Toot Toot, Wiggle, get the classic collection, and Wiggle Dancing. See this? We got Pumpkin Face. No, I have Wiggly Halloween. It's a USA version. His front, spine, the back. Rob already show you this. The disc itself. We got Go Santa Go, it's the front, spine, the back. The disc itself. We got a booklet. This is what I need for my collection. This is the my birthday presents. Lastly we got Pumpkin Face. This is the front, spine, the back. It's the disc itself. Known as Wiggly Halloween. There I show you. Alright, gotta hurry because I need to late for my piano. Alright, that's all for today. Just gotta go. Peace out.